Hello. So this week I was attentive towards my fridge. It's an idea that came to me. And it's interesting. Hi. So let's go through my fridge. Um, so I like butter, as you can tell. I like bread as well. And got a bit of garlic soup paste. Eggs, free range. I get them from the market now. I don't go to the supermarket because the market is just support your local businesses. That's why I go to the market. I started last week. I went yesterday, and so I have all these veggies. This is tomato, broccoli, peppers, and that is from the market as well, which I need to make something out of. I might make a sponge. I've got some leftovers in here from last night, and yogurt, not sponsored. Kidding. Yeah, so that's my Greek yogurt. It's from Lidl. More eggs, mousse, and cheese. This is a paste, tomato paste. I like tomatoes, like the sauce and stuff. I got some cheese from B&M. I went in there one day and it just caught my eye, so I just got it. A tiramisu. And then some chopped up tomatoes. That's that level. Custard for your sponge, you know. I got some pate with me. I got some more broccoli, more veg. Dal, soup, some jam in the back. I got some marmalade as well for toast and stuff in the morning. Mayonnaise, you can't go wrong with a bit of mayo. And that's the supper for tonight. I'm thinking of making like a curry or something of that nature. Oh, lights out. Let's put the lights up on. Yeah, so that's me. I love a bit of oat milk. That's my medicines, which I don't need anymore because I don't cough very often. I'm supposing that. Lime, I've had that for ages. And this lemon juice. And that's my milk. And that is me. Better me. Hi, good evening. So I'm just cooking dinner. But I wanted to give you an update of my fridge. So here we are. Today I went on a trip to Lidl and I bought a few things. I bought a mince pie. Let me show you. Hand-cropped mince pie. What else? I bought another yogurt because that one's already running low. And I bought, what else did I buy? Oh, sausage rolls and garlic bread, which is in the freezer. But yeah. I've been to Sainsbury's and I bought some liver because I wanted to. I was walking to Sainsbury's and I thought, do you know what would be nice? Some liver and onions. So I got me some. It's really nice today. A bit cold in the shadows. I got chicken liver. It's the most cheapest one, but it doesn't look as big. It's not cut as big as like the other ones, like the lamb. Can put it there. Operating in the vegetable tray. Not much has changed in the fridge. It's just the same. Got an avocado, some mousse. What's this? This is some cake I made the other night. Plum cake. This is some plum cake. Which is dried out. I need cream for it. That's my plum cake. What's this? Oh, that's last night's dinner, which I don't think I'll have. It's quite tough. It's lamb chops, and it's quite tough. Yeah, I've got my pop cherry Kingsley. Got my mug. Bought this yesterday. Some mince pie. It's only £2, £1.99. Save a penny. £1.99 from Lidl. Got some eggs from the farm. They're free range. Honestly, like, I started going to the market and it's just changed my life. Support your local businesses. This was only £1.70, £1.60 maybe even, because that's the recycled box. I bought this from Sainsbury's the other day. It's potato salad, and I bought this on, I think I bought this from Aldi, and I love garlic, but it doesn't, garlic in its rawest form just hits different, and it's good for the heart. The flavors, when I eat raw garlic, it comes out of my hands, out of here, you can smell it, but like not with that. I think that's manufactured, so it won't come out as good as a natural yogurt, a natural garlic, sorry. This is custard. Yeah, so that's it basically. That's my fridge. Hello, good morning. I'm just checking my hair out. So I'm on my way to the market for my fridge, and I'm gonna go buy some vegetables, some yogurt, honey, and what else? And eggs. I go to my local it's so much cheaper at the markets, honestly, guys. You know what, these vegetables and fruits that they sell, what they get from the supermarket, is full of toxins. And to preserve the food, I'm nothing against supermarkets and their fruit and vegetables, but it's just so much more fresher. Stay out in the morning or in the afternoon if you want to go on the road. But support your local businesses. These farmers work hard. So, you know, I bought the other day, I think I bought like 5 items, and it came like 5 types of fruit, came up to £3. I'm not even joking. It was so economic. It was, you know, when you don't have a lot of money, it makes a difference. And so I'm really grateful for the markets and the farmers who work so hard. If you have a market near you, just go and see what they have and support them. Buy something. I have noticed that there's a lot of fruit. There's more fruit than there is vegetables. I don't know why this is. Anyway, so yeah, there's more fruit than there is vegetables. And so it's just I don't know why that is. I just don't know why they have fruit more than vegetables. So I need water. I'm talking so much, but they I don't know why that is, but the vegetables that they do have look like vegetables I don't know, and I wouldn't know how to cook them. So I stick to what I know. I'm gonna buy some aubergines today, and I don't know how can I stuff aubergines. I could fry it. Aubergines are a nice vegetable. It's like nice and woody. I like asparagus. Asparagus is also woody, and it's nice for the steak. Well, that's asparagus. But I get my meat from like Aldi, and they charge a reasonable price, and then I get my other stuff from Sainsbury's. Tesco's is out of my reach. I'd have to walk a far way. Sainsbury's is now the closest supermarket to me, so I go there for like oat milk, my bread, my butter, my what else? Yeah, and you know those fruit eggs that they have in the market is free range, guys, and I want to say this, they're so nutritious. They fill you up so much more than any other egg could dream of. And so yeah, when I first had it, I think I've gotten used to how nutritious it is. But when I first had where are you going? When I first had two of these free range eggs, and oh my gosh, I was full. I was like, oh my gosh, I need to eat these one by one. They're so nutritious. But yeah, so just go into the market for something. They get a friendly menu. And so please go to your market and shop and have a good time. Eat healthy, learn how to cook, and enjoy your life. Bye.